Hey guys, look what came the other day. It's the Diamond Press Halloween Fall Stamps, Dies, and Stencils, which is one of the auto ships from the card bundle box that they had on HSN. This is my favorite auto ship. And I'm going to be sad when it comes to an end. I think we're maybe halfway through, maybe a little less than halfway through. But I just love them. I just love them. So let's open it up and see what we got. This came maybe 2 or 3 days ago, I think. And I waited to open it up with you guys. I am so excited. Let me put this away. And let's get all the goodies out. All right. Whoops. Did I just send you shaken? Sorry. All right. So let me have it the right way to begin with. All right, so we've got the folders that come with each one, and there was, the box came with the folders. Then I actually bought an additional set of the folders, so I have plenty of folders. So comes with the folders as usual. Comes with the slimline folder for die cutting. Comes with our dies, our stamps, and our stencils. Let me get everything out. All right, so let's take a look. Page 1, Halloween Fall. All right, so the dies are this little scroll oval, plain oval, bat, leaves, pumpkin. We've got the really deep rickrack edging on these pieces, and there's 4 pieces. Then we've got the borders, and then you've got a Happy Halloween to put in. You can do the plain border. You can put the Happy Halloween one in. There's one that says Thankful for You. And let's see what we got on the other side. All right, and then these are the stencils. Look, the little tree limb is all bent up. Spider web, all kinds of different leaves, and the wood grain. Oh, that's so pretty. So as usual, it shows you what it would look like in a slim line, a 5x7, and an A2, which is the 4 1/4 by 5.5. So, and then this one shows us our stamps. And they're using the little rickrack, these ones, for the stamps. Thankful, Bootyful, Hello Fall, Bugs and Kisses. Oh, that's so cute, Bugs and Kisses. Boo, This is for You, Autumn Blessings, Happy Harvest Blessings, And then it's showing you that this oval will fit these stamps: Trick or Treat, No Tricks, Just Treats, Spooktacular. That's so cute with this skulls. Warm Fall Greetings. Your Fabulous. Hey Pumpkin. Each day brings a new reason to be grateful, thankful, and blessed. Wishing you a season of blessings. And then some finished cards. No bones about it. You're spooktacular. That's so cool. So some finished cards as inspiration. So here's the, let me get a piece of cardstock. Those are nice size stamps. Trick or Treat, Spooktacular, the Hey Pumpkin, nice size. And then here's our, look at how nice these are. These are going to be great. Look at how big that is for the border. And then the sayings. This is a real big size, really nice size. And it's stitched, this one is stitched too. I don't know if you could see. So let's take a look at the stencils, because you know I love stencils. Let's see what they're, here we go. So let me know whether you've been getting the auto ships, and if you like them as much as I do. I get excited every time I see that one's due to ship. So all right, let's take a look at these. All right, so here's the spider web. That is such a nice looking spider web. You can see there might be a little bit of issue with this one. We'll have to be careful to go that way and not this way when you're inking it, because it looks like everything is attached except for this one, which is short, but this one's long, so I love that. Spider web. Spooky branches. Whoops, we're caught, hold on. That spooky branch does not want to let go. There we go. Spooky branches. That's going to be so cool. There's a lot of little pieces that could get, might used to have to use some pixie spray, keep that all down so it doesn't, you know, when you're using your blending brushes, it doesn't get caught. Love it. Look at the fall leaves. So, leaf toss, that is so cool. All kinds of different shapes and sizes. Really nice. That'll be so pretty with the yellows and the oranges and some greens. And then the last one is the wood grain. Look at how nice that is. That is going to be so pretty. So pretty. So that's it. I'm excited. I'm going to have to make some fall cards, some Halloween. So, all right, so that's it. So let me know if you've been getting the auto ships. If you love them as much as I do. let me know. I am going to be sad when these are over, because they've been excellent. I just love having, you know, everything coordinated. So, all right, so that's it. Thank you for watching. If you're a subscriber, thank you. If you're thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button, and if you hit the bell, it will send you notifications when there's a new video to be seen. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.